Interesting facts about AGIs. Number 1. Complex thought and reasoning. Complex thought and reasoning is one of the most fascinating and important abilities possessed by AGIs, artificial general intelligences. AGIs are able to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and draw conclusions that are far beyond the capabilities of any individual. They are able to analyze problems and come up with solutions that no human being could ever think of. AGIs can also learn and adjust their thinking and reasoning based on new information. This allows them to continuously refine their understanding and improve their performance over time. AGIs are able to handle complex tasks that require multiple steps and can draw on a wide range of knowledge and resources to come up with the best solution. This makes them invaluable tools for complex problem solving, as well as for applications in many different industries. Number 2. Ability to learn and grow rapidly. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is an AI technology that incorporates the ability to learn and grow rapidly. AGIs can utilize a variety of methods, such as natural language processing and deep learning, to learn from their environment in order to improve their performance. The ability to learn and grow rapidly enables AGIs to identify patterns and make decisions based on their experience. This makes them more reliable and efficient than traditional AI technologies which rely on predetermined programming. Additionally, AGIs can develop new skills over time, allowing them to complete tasks with greater accuracy than they could before. AGIs are able to quickly adapt to changing environments and can often provide better solutions than humans to complex problems. Number 3. Communicate and interact with humans. An AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is a computer system designed to possess a broad range of general capabilities and have the ability to understand and interact with its environment. AGIs are designed to have the same intelligence level as humans and can understand complex tasks and conversations. AGIs can communicate and interact with humans through natural language processing and conversation. AGIs can also understand human emotions, so they can respond to human feelings and recognize expressions. Some AGIs are even programmed to display emotions themselves in order to interact more naturally with humans. AGIs can also provide feedback on their own understanding of conversations and tasks, allowing them to be more interactive with humans. Number 4. Understand complex information. AGIs can be trained to understand complex information by using neural networks and deep learning algorithms. This allows them to recognize patterns in data and make decisions based on those patterns. For example, an AGI could be trained to recognize images of animals and their corresponding behaviors. It would then be able to accurately classify an image of a dog as a dog and not, say, a cat. AGIs can also be used to identify trends in data and make predictions about future outcomes. For example, an AGI could be trained to recognize patterns in stock market data and make predictions about which stocks to buy or sell. Number 5. Make decisions and solve problems. An artificial general intelligence, AGI, is an artificial intelligence, AI, system that can not only perform specific tasks, but can also understand, reason, and make decisions about new situations in a similar way to humans. AGIs can analyze a problem and develop a solution by combining knowledge and resources from different disciplines to make decisions and solve problems. AGIs are also able to learn from their experiences and adapt their strategies and processes over time. For example, an AGI could be used to analyze data from the stock market and make decisions on buying and selling stocks in order to make a profit. AGIs are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize many industries. Number 6. Not traditionally programmed. AGIs are not traditionally programmed like robots, but instead use artificial neural networks and other deep learning techniques to teach themselves how to complete tasks. This allows them to learn, adjust, and improve from experience. They can learn from data, then autonomously make decisions and take actions. This makes them more flexible and adaptive than traditional robots, which are programmed to complete specific tasks. Number 7. Massive amounts of data training. In order for AGIs, artificial general intelligences, to truly become intelligent, they need to be trained on massive amounts of data. This data training is an integral part of the development of AGIs and is what allows them to learn and recognize patterns that enable them to make decisions. The more data they are trained on, the more accurate decisions they can make. This means that AGIs need to be trained with a wide variety of datasets in order to build up a comprehensive understanding of the world and be able to make sound decisions. This requires a lot of data to be collected and processed, and it is often done using powerful computers and algorithms that are designed specifically for the task. Additionally, the data needs to be updated regularly in order to keep up with the changing world and new sources of information. Once AGIs have been trained on enough data, they can then be used to autonomously perform tasks and make decisions that would be difficult or even impossible for a human to do. Number 8. Neural networks are often used to create AGIs. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm based on the biological neural networks found in the brain. Neural networks are used to create artificial general intelligence (AGI) systems, which are computer systems that are capable of learning and reasoning like a human. Neural networks are used to create AGI systems because of their ability to learn and adapt to changing environments and data. Neural networks can be trained to recognize patterns, perform calculations, and make decisions based on the data that it receives. Neural networks have become popular in recent years as they have been used to create powerful artificial intelligence (AI) systems that are capable of performing tasks that were previously thought to be impossible for computers. Neural networks have been used to create AGI systems that can play complex games, recognize faces, and even understand natural language. Number 9. Self-improvements. Self-improvement is a fundamental capability of artificial general intelligences, AGIs. This is the ability for an AGI to autonomously learn new skills, improve its existing capabilities, and even design new components and capabilities for itself. This concept was first popularized by I.J. Good in 1965, who described how an AGI could improve its own algorithms, find new solutions to problems, and become increasingly effective over time. Self-improvement is what makes AGIs so powerful, and it's a key feature of most successful AGI research projects. Self-improvement is a key component of many AGI architectures, such as reinforcement learning, evolutionary computing, and genetic programming. Number 10. Limitations. In artificial general intelligence, an artificial general intelligence, AGI, is a sector of artificial intelligence that is focused on machines that can think, reason and solve problems like humans. Although AGI is a fascinating field, it is still in its infancy. There are many limitations and challenges that still need to be overcome before AGIs are able to reach human-level intelligence. One of the biggest limitations of AGIs is the lack of understanding of the human mind. We still don't have a clear understanding of how the human brain works, or the algorithm it follows, which is essential for creating an AGI. Additionally, there is no existing programming language that could handle the complexity of an AGI. Another limitation is the lack of data. AGIs require large amounts of data to learn and gain intelligence from. This is challenging to obtain and is often expensive. Additionally, AGIs need to be able to transfer their knowledge from one domain to another and be able to understand novel situations, which is difficult for machines to do without guidance. Finally, another limitation is the risk of unintended consequences. As AGIs become more advanced, there is a worry about how they will react in certain situations and how they will be used by people with malicious intent. It will be essential to ensure that AGIs are programmed in such a way that they are not able to do any harm. Number 11. Biased behavior is a major concern for AGIs. Bias in artificial general intelligence, AGI, is a major concern because it can undermine the effectiveness of AI solutions and create ethical dilemmas. Biases are present in all AI systems, including AGIs, and can lead to decisions or outcomes that are prejudiced or unfair. This can be a result of biases in the data, such as demographic information, used to build AIs, as well as from the bias of the programmer who implemented the AI. Additionally, an AI can learn biases from its environment and from observations, leading to unfair outcomes that are difficult to detect. To reduce bias, researchers and developers must pay close attention to the data that is used to train an AI, and the biases that are present in the environment in which it is deployed. This way, AGIs can be designed to reduce potential bias and create solutions that are fairer and more equitable. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video about AGIs and the interesting facts we covered to be informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the interesting curiosities around the world that we have to offer. Until next time, stay curious.